Welcome back. Today I am going to unbox these Fabfitfun box. This one is mine and this one's my daughter's. She gets her box delivered here and I always have so much fun unboxing her box, and then I'm going to box it back up so it's new to her, and I'm going to tell her not to watch the video. I liked it so much, she gave me a gift of my own box. We're gonna start with that. It has these beautiful fall colors. I just love the decorations on their boxes. Let's see what's in them. All right, to begin with, $40 off a daily harvest, and it looks like it's a subscription box for sweet things. You get that. There's a book club for kids, 25% off. You can gift it on to somebody or use it for your own kids. I don't have kids. I'll see if somebody needs that. Then you get your Fabfitfun Catalog, and it has all the items that are included. It basically tells you about everything, what's in the fall box. It's a nice addition to all the things that you get in your box so that you can learn more about all the product. All right, the fun part. What did I get? Living Proof Full Conditioner. I like trying out all the new conditioners and shampoos that they give. Although, this one's open. It's actually open. I'll have to contact the customer service about that. So with the conditioner comes the shampoo. I'm wondering if it's because it was pressurized. This one also was open. So there's shampoo and conditioner. I opted for the dryer balls. As you may or may not know, I have 2 Dobermans, and on occasions when I leave the laundry out, they find the dryer balls and then I can't find the dryer balls. So a friend of mine gifted me a set and I love them. So having another set is going to be handy because you never know. The laundry's like, it takes a day to do it and about 10 days to fold it. So these dryer balls are going to be great. Let us see here. The next thing we got is a 3-piece silicone baking set, and that's from Chip and Tonic. The box challenging. Let's see. I love to cook. I also do cooking videos. Oh, look at this. So this is one of those sheets that you could put on your baking sheet and then wash it. Instead of using parchment paper or foil, you put this down on your pan and you put your cooking stuff on it. And then 2 spatulas. I don't know why, but I love spatulas. And these are really cute. They have this little pattern on them that looks like funfetti. So that's cute. And what do we have here? Another thing, and again, it's open. And it leaked. This is necessary body wash. Pour le coeur. That's too bad that it leaked. It smells really good. I'm gonna have to really talk to their customer service about this because this too is leaked and it was felt like it was open on the wrong side. I don't know what happened there. Another coupon for $60 off, and that's for wine. So Bright Cellars. You can use it or pass it along. Okay, what else do we have in here? Ooh. We have charcoal wipes. This is to cleanse, exfoliate charcoal wipe with glycolic acid, vitamins A, C, and E. I wanted to try it out. We'll see how it is. And so that's that. What else did we get? Mud mask, vitamin A booster blue clay mask. So I can't wait to wear this. It's pore refining, smoothing, firming, tightening, and brightening. Yay. I like masks. I'm gonna have a little spa day. And we have Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and it is Stunna lip paint. Ooh. I like to have nice looking lips. I'd love to be a stunner. Ooh, it's this shade of mauve. Mauve? It's not the reds that I use, but it's pretty pretty. Sometimes I don't like the way they smell, but Doesn't smell bad at all. And the color is going to look like this. I don't think that's going to look bad at all. How fun. Lumify by Bausch & Lomb. Okay, and this has works in 1 minute, lasts 8 hours, relieves the redness of the eye due to eye irritations. Another lipstick. I was kind of running low on lipsticks, and I was telling my daughter, oh, do you have any lipsticks you don't wear? Well, it turns out that we almost wear the same colors, so she didn't have any extra. Let's see what we have here. Modern Classics by Laura Geller. Oh, I like this one too. This one's going to be pretty also. So let me see the color. This one's a little bit more pinky than the other one. I think it's going to look nice. Ooh, I'm excited. And then I have the 7 seconds detangler leave-in conditioner. Now, this is going to be really cool to try out because my hair, I have trouble detangling it after I take a shower. And then before I style it, I always have to put a lot of oil in it and stuff to keep it looking bright. This is going to be very nice. I'm really looking forward to trying this. And I got some Glamnetic lashes. This was an add-on, and I'm really excited about it because I bought some Glamnetic lashes the other day, but they were super like big and very, very lashy, and I kind of wanted another pair that would be more subtle, and so I got the Living Lash, and that's what these ones look like. And I think they're going to look really nice, and so I'm excited now that I have two pairs, one for like when I want to go out and have wow lashes, and one that I might be able to try wearing day to day. I can't wait. All right, so that's all my box. Okay, now on to the bonus box, my daughter's box. Her box came about a week and a half before mine. So I'm really interested to see what she got, because by the time I got to customizations, and I got to the customizations like on the first day, just like later on in the day. So I'm not sure what she chose or if she even got to choose. Sometimes she gets too busy at work and stuff. So let's see, what did she get? All right, she's of course got the same magazine and coupons and offers. And then she's got this Nars. It is a blush. Ooh, that's gonna be nice. I'm not gonna open it for her because I want her to have that joy of opening it. She got Pearl Polish Super Glow Pink Clay Mask. Glowing, exfoliating, pore refining, renewing, and softening. So I got the blue one. She got the pink, which is kind of cool. And then she got the Pure Collagen Biphase Serum. I hear this stuff is magnificent, and she loves it. Also got the Lumify Brightening, and her box is a standard box. I don't think she got any add-ins. Oh, a 2-piece set of packing cubes. Now, I know she totally uses packing cubes. She travels all over the world. These will come in handy. You know, sometimes you have to wash a packing cube in between trips or something, so it's always handy to have more. And then she got the socks. She's always needing more sockies, and they're in gray and black, and maybe navy, no, gray and black. She's gonna love these. Keep her little footsies warm. Ooh, and this is pretty. She got the Gentle Fawn. I think it's a scarf. Ooh, she is gonna love this. She lives in San Francisco, cold, and this looks so soft and fuzzy. I'm gonna actually just kind of poke my finger in here. Shh, don't tell her. Ooh, it is soft. Kind of regretting not choosing this for myself. Nice. It's very soft. She's gonna love it. And that's it. That's all for her fall box. Beautiful selection of things. I think she's really going to enjoy it. I am happy for both boxes, and I'm sure that if there's something in my box she likes better, we'll do a little trading amongst ourselves. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful afternoon. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye.